In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your advanced settings in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by opening your settings. In the top right corner of QuickBooks Online, click the gear icon to open the main settings menu. From there, choose Account and Settings. On the left panel, select the Advanced tab. This is where the core preferences that shape how your books behave are managed, so it's worth taking a moment to review each area carefully. First, set the first month of your fiscal year. This determines how your financial reports are grouped and compared across periods. If your organization follows a non-calendar fiscal year, pick the month that marks the beginning of that cycle so your reports align correctly. Right below that, choose the first month of your income tax year. This ensures tax-oriented reports line up with the period you file for, which helps keep filings and year-end tasks consistent. Next, select your accounting method. Cash recognizes income and expenses when money changes hands, while accrual recognizes them when invoices are issued and bills are received. Pick the method that matches how you track your finances and prepare reports, so your dashboard and statements reflect your actual process. You can also customize how you refer to the people or organizations you bill. In the customer label field, choose a term that fits your situation, such as clients, tenants, donors, or guests. This simple change helps your forms and lists read naturally for your type of work. In the same advanced area, review the options for company type and the tax form your business uses. These selections influence how QuickBooks maps certain fields and categories behind the scenes. Look over your chart of accounts preferences as well, including whether you show account numbers or enable certain detail types, so your ledger is organized the way you prefer. Under categories, decide whether to track classes or locations to segment income and expenses by department, project, or site. If you use automation, explore settings that govern tasks like pre-filling forms and other time savers to keep your workflow efficient and consistent. You can also adjust global formats. Choose your currency and set your date and currency display preferences so they match your local standards. If you plan to work with multiple currencies, be sure it's the right choice for your operations, as turning on multi-currency changes how you handle transactions going forward. Lastly, configure how and where your data will be backed up. Select the backup approach available to your subscription and confirm your storage preference so your financial data is protected and recoverable. That's all. You can revisit these advanced settings anytime to fine-tune them as your business needs evolve.